For centuries, Nuh called his people to worship Allah alone. Yet most refused. Years turned into centuries. Mockery and rejection continued, but Nuh's patience never faded.
Then came Allah's command. Build the ark. People mocked. A ship on dry land?
By Allah's command, pairs of animals and the believers entered the ark.
The rain began to fall in sheets, covering the earth as a sign of the wrath of God. The sky opened and the earth gushed forth with water. Allah's decree became reality. Nuh said, "In the name of Allah is its course and its anchorage." Wave after wave swallowed kingdoms, arrogance, and lies. Only the believers were saved. At last, Allah's mercy descended. The rain ceased, and the waters began to recede. The ark came to rest upon Mount Judy. A new beginning emerged. The story teaches us, even when the world turns dark, salvation is in turning back to Allah. Allah.